Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I edited my rainbow lights photos, which was shown in my previous video, how to shoot rainbow lights photography. If you wanna know how to do it, just click this video right here. There are two versions of this that will be shown in this video. First, the photo that was taken from my phone to this, which I edited in Lightroom Mobile. Second, the photo that was taken from Sony a6000 to this, which I edited in Lightroom CC Classic. So, let's get started. So, let's open first the Lightroom Mobile.
Oh my god! Wow!
So as you observe, the photo is kinda dark, so let's edit first the light category. So okay, let's make the exposure to 0.53 so that the photo will be exposed. Contrast to -42. Highlights is 25. The shadow, let's make it 74 so that the parts will be more visible and not overshadowed. Whites to 14 and black to 10. So now let's go to the curve section, which will do the action for the things we've edited a while ago. And we'll only use the RGB. So, there. Now let's go to the color. Let's make the vibrance to -13 and saturation to 30. Since I want the photo to be more colorful, we'll now go to the color mix. So I'll make the red to 44 and the orange to -13 so that the skin tone will be less orangey. Yellow 40, green 43, then blue 48, purple 24, and then magenta to 26. So now let's go to the details. Let's make the sharpening to 47. The radius is 1.00, details 25, then masking, I want it 100 because I want the edges to be sharpened and not entirely me. Noise reduction to 27 so that the picture will not be grainy. Details 50, contrast 6, color noise reduction to 3. The details of it and smoothness is 50. Now we're done with our first edit. Now let's go to the desktop. This is the photo from Sony a6000 that I will edit. We will have a different approach here, so let's go. I'll set the exposure to -0.03, contrast to -81, highlights -3, the shadows, let's make it 63 so that some parts will be more visible and not overshadowed. Whites to 40, black is -39. Now let's go with the presence. Let's make the haze to 13, vibrance 19, then saturation 24. Now the tone curve. This is where the colors will appear by pulling this down and up. There. Since I want the photo to be more colorful, we'll now go to HSL or color. Let's edit first the hue. I'll make the red to 7, orange 12, then yellow 9. Now let's edit the saturation so that the colors in the background will be more visible. I'll make the orange to -22 so that the skin tone will not be oversaturated. Yellow to 15, green to 12, aqua 11, then blue 54, purple 44, magenta is 43. Now let's edit the luminance so that the colors will not be dark. So we'll just adjust the orange to 5, then blue to 33. As you can see, the photo is not yet what we are expecting, but later I'll show you. We will now edit the split toning. I'll just edit here the shadows. Hue 218, then saturation is 38. Now let's go to the details. Sharpening to 40, radius is 1.0, details 25, then masking is 100. Because I want the edges or outline to be sharpened. In the noise reduction, let's make the luminance to 30 so that the photo will not be grainy. Then details 50, contrast is 31. In the lens correction, let's check the remove chromatic aberration. Check the enable profile corrections. Then find the brand of your lens and it will automatically detect it. And then let's make the vignetting to 0. Now let's edit the calibration. Shadows, let's make it to -6. Red primary plus 30, and the saturation is -22. Green primary is 29, then saturation plus 13. Then blue primary -48, then the saturation is 48. Because I want the blue to be a sky blue one. Since I want the background to be like that and my skin tone or face to be lightened, we'll now use the brush. So, okay, let's brush my face. There, and let's make it exposure 0.31. Then let's brush the hand. Then let's make the exposure to 0.12. Then we're done. So that's it. I hope you had fun watching and learned something from me in today's video on how I edit my rainbow lights photos. Stay tuned for more video guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.